Garmin might be in danger because there's a new rugged smartwatch in town. Amazfit has just unveiled the T-Rex 3, and it's bringing some serious upgrades to the outdoor adventure scene. Both pack AMOLED displays, offline maps, and rugged designs that can survive the harshest conditions. But with the Garmin Fenix 8 priced at a hefty $999 and the Amazfit T-Rex 3 retailing for just $280, the big question is whether the Fenix 8's premium cost is worth it, or does the T-Rex 3 delivers enough for a fraction of the price? Let's find out. Both the T-Rex 3 and Fenix 8 are built to endure extreme conditions, but let's break down their differences. The Amazfit T-Rex 3 sports a rugged design with a new stainless steel bezel that offers solid protection for its 1.5-inch AMOLED screen. It's water-resistant up to 100 meters, and Amazfit has made it tougher than ever, making it ideal for outdoor enthusiasts who need durability on a budget. Meanwhile, the Garmin Fenix 8 offers even more premium materials. You can choose between a steel or titanium bezel, and with a water resistance rating of 40 meters, it's dive-ready, something the T-Rex 3 doesn't offer. Not to mention, the Fenix 8 also integrates leak-proof buttons and even a built-in flashlight for nighttime adventurers. Both watches feature stunning AMOLED screens, but the T-Rex 3 has a slight edge in brightness, offering up to 2,000 nits, which makes it highly visible even in direct sunlight. This is a huge upgrade from its predecessor, and on par with the latest Samsung Galaxy and Pixel watches. In contrast, the Garmin Fenix 8's AMOLED display, while slightly dimmer at 1400 nits, is still sharp and vibrant. However, Garmin gives you a choice. The Fenix 8 can also be equipped with a memory and pixel display, which, while less bright, offers even better battery life thanks to solar charging. The Fenix 8 also brings a more refined user interface with Garmin's improved navigation and customizable watch faces. On the other hand, the T-Rex 3 sticks to a more straightforward interface using the Zepp app, which is functional but lacks the refinement of Garmin's ecosystem. This is where the Amazfit T-Rex 3 truly excels. With up to 27 days of battery life in regular use and a whopping 180 hours of GPS tracking, the T-Rex 3 ensures you won't have to worry about recharging mid-adventure. Even for those marathon GPS sessions, the watch holds strong, making it perfect for ultra-marathon runners or outdoor adventurers who don't want to deal with constant charging. Garmin, however, isn't far behind. The Fenix 8, particularly the solar model, offers an impressive battery life that can extend up to 48 days in watch mode when solar charging is used. Without solar, it still holds a solid 16 to 29 days depending on the model size. In GPS mode, the Fenix 8 offers up to 92 hours with solar assistance, which is slightly lower than the T-Rex 3's 180-hour max. Now, let's talk about the real meat of these watches: performance. Both the T-Rex 3 and Fenix 8 come loaded with fitness and tracking features, but Garmin's Fenix 8 edges ahead with its sheer breadth of performance metrics. From heart rate tracking to VO2 max, endurance scores, and even hill scores for climbers, the Fenix 8 provides incredibly detailed data for serious athletes. The T-Rex 3, however, holds its own. It now offers 170 sports modes, including new additions like freediving and Hyrox race mode, and even has built-in AI training features to help customize your workout routines. Plus, with the addition of readiness and heart rate variability metrics, Amazfit is starting to compete with Garmin on advanced fitness tracking. The Garmin Fenix 8 also packs some unique upgrades like a built-in mic and speaker, allowing you to take calls or control voice commands right from your wrist. It's also equipped with offline maps and turn-by-turn directions, which the T-Rex 3 now offers as well, making navigation smooth on both devices. Both watches are designed for outdoor use, and they come with a robust set of GPS and mapping tools. The Amazfit T-Rex 3 offers free access to offline maps, including contour maps, and now supports turn-by-turn directions, a feature previously found in premium models like Garmin's. It also tracks your location accurately, even during long GPS sessions, which is a huge plus for hikers and runners. The Fenix 8 takes it a step further with dual-band GPS, offering pinpoint accuracy even in challenging environments. Garmin also includes advanced navigation features like multipath correction, making it ideal for those who venture deep into the wilderness. And let's not forget the Fenix 8's built-in flashlight, a small but handy feature for night treks or low-light activities. Here's where things get interesting. The Amazfit T-Rex 3 costs $280, a massive difference compared to the Garmin Fenix 8, which starts at $999 and can go up to $1,999, depending on the model. While Garmin undoubtedly offers more premium features and materials, the T-Rex 3 packs so much value into its lower price point that it's hard to ignore. The Amazfit T-Rex 3 is an amazing option for adventurers and fitness enthusiasts who want a rugged, feature-packed smartwatch without breaking the bank. With its impressive battery life, AMOLED display, and extensive sports modes, it's a serious contender in the rugged smartwatch market. On the other hand, the Garmin Fenix 8 is the ultimate choice for those who demand top-tier performance, deep training analysis, and all the bells and whistles you'd expect from a premium adventure watch. Let us know in the comments which one you'd pick for your next adventure. Thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.